Hey everyone, if your Brave browser bookmarks are missing, disappeared, or not showing up, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to recover and restore your bookmarks. First, make sure your bookmarks bar is turned on. Sometimes it's just hidden and not actually deleted. Next, close Brave completely and reopen it. Yeah, this can refresh your session and bring missing bookmarks back. If you use Brave Sync, make sure bookmarks are enabled. I mean, if sync is off, your bookmarks won't appear across devices. Another thing to check is whether you're logged into the correct Brave profile. You know, bookmarks are stored per profile, so switching accounts can make them disappear. If bookmarks were accidentally deleted, you may be able to restore them from a backup. So check the Bookmarks Manager for import or restore options. Sometimes corrupted cache or profile data can hide bookmarks. Yeah, clearing cache or restarting the browser can help fix this. Some extensions can interfere with bookmarks display. So disable them temporarily and check if your bookmarks return. Make sure Brave is updated. I mean, outdated versions can sometimes cause syncing and display issues. If nothing works, uninstall Brave and reinstall it from the official website. This can restore missing or corrupted profile data, and that's it. One of these methods should help fix Brave browser bookmarks missing and bring your saved sites back. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.